Minasan konnichiwa. Lesson 3, reading the Japanese hiragana alphabet. This is the U set. So this video is focusing on the purple line just here. All of these letters, there's 9 in this row, they all rhyme with the vowel U. So U, Ku, Su, Tsu, Nu, Fu, Mu, Yu, Ru. Let's do it. U for U. So this is an old lady. She's all bent over from all the work she's done, and there's a stick that falls from a tree and hits her on the back. She says U. So U for U. You can see the stick here, and that's her back. U for U. Ku for cuckoo bird or kookaburra, Australian version. This is a really easy one. Looks like a cuckoo's beak, kookaburra's beak there. Ku for kookaburra. Su for soon it will grow. So what you've got here is, this is the earth. There's a little seed underneath the earth. Soon it will grow, so it will grow roots down underground, and it will pop up a little flower above the ground. So su for soon it will grow. Stroke order is across first, ich, and this is all one stroke. We go down and loop around like a roller coaster, and then come off down to the left. Su for soon it will grow. Tsu for what? Sounds like a sneeze, so it looks like a big nose. There is a little t sound at the beginning of this sound. Tsu. It's the first letter in the word tsunami, meaning tidal wave. It kind of looks like a tidal wave as well. Tsu for ats or tsunami. Nu. Nu is for noodle. Looks like a noodle bowl. So you've got 2 chopsticks and there's a noodle attached to it. You might have tried ramen noodles, Japanese noodles. Ramen usually have an egg in the noodle, so I kind of try to remember that this bit here is the egg. So chopstick, chopstick, and the noodle here with the egg. Nu for noodle. Fu for Fuji-san. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. It is also a volcano. It can be spelt with a H as well, so H-U or this way as well. Fu is for Mount Fuji. It actually also looks like Mount Fuji, so this is the mountain, and as it's a volcano, it's still got like a lava tube inside of it. So Fu for Fuji-san. San in that word means mountain, so Fuji mountain, Fuji-san. Mu. Mu is for moo cow. It's kind of a funny one. Mu for moo cow here is the horn, obviously. We come down, and like Su, it's a bit of a roller coaster there around his nose to the right with the belly there and little tail of the moo cow up there. So mu for moo cow. 1, 2, and then 3 for the tail. This is not connected. Mu for moo cow. U for U-turn. As you know, Sensei is pretty forgetful. I leave my whiteboard pens all around the room. This time, Sensei has forgotten to bring her lunch to school. So I was traveling to school here, forgot my lunch. I have to make a U-turn and go back and get it so that I don't starve. U for U-turn. So here's the road, and turning around to go back and get what I've forgotten. This mark here is like the middle of the road, so U for U-turn. I don't actually know if that's true. Cars are not allowed to do U-turns in Japan. You might have to Google that. Ru, last one. Ru is for ruby. So this looks like a 3, and there's a ruby at the bottom of it. Sparkling ruby. Just be careful when you're writing it that this bit isn't curved like the way that we do our 3s, so it's really quite sharp. Ru for ruby. Little ruby at the bottom. U for ruby. You should now be able to read words like uma, horse, u for old lady, saying u, and ma for mum, calling mum. Sushi. Yeah, we all like sushi. Su for soon it will grow, plus she for she has long hair, is sushi. Kuchi. Kuchi means mouth. Ku for kookaburra. Chi for cheese ball. Kuchi. Mushi. Mu for moo cow. She for she has long hair. Mushi means insect. This little stroke here is a little bit interesting just because of the font. I'd usually sort of put it more on an angle. Inu, eat for Hawaii, and nu for noodle means dog. Fuyu, fu for Fuji-san, and U for U-turn, meaning winter. Fuyu. And haru means spring. Ha for ha, and ru for ruby. Haru. Next video we're going to look at the set, the yellow set. So that is, I believe, video number 4. Nearly done. Yoku dekita. Arigatou gozaimasu.